a sofi immediately means returns for a small business owner. It puts the product in a spotlight.
It helps sort of, especially when you're at a food show, there's so many vendors there, so many products, that it's a really easy way to identify those who have risen to the top.
It gives buyers the sense that we're not just trying to sell them a product. They see that a third party is telling them that this is a really great product.
It just legitimizes your company, your brand, your product. Retailers all know what the Sofi Awards are all about. It's just another added asset that can give them comfort that what they're buying is quality, and what you tell them it is, it is.
When you look at our selling materials, we're always putting these awards front and center, especially in conversations with the folks who are in the industry. It helps us to reach our distributors, our retailers, and also increasingly consumers.
It gets us so much more exposure into markets that may have not ever heard of us. Each year, after we win a Sofi, each product we do see a bump in the sales for each one.
It's increasingly difficult for consumers to kind of navigate the terrain. So one of the ways that they tend to do it is by looking at signals from things like awards.
It's a way to filter things. It's a way to commercialize, of course, and for others to appreciate what you're doing. We want to see people win.
Apply, because it's great for visibility, good for returns, and excellent for company morale. It's worth it.